Guys, welcome back to this series on Microsoft productivity series. So we are now looking at the Excel use case. So the data you see in this video will be on a sales data, and we will ask copilot to analyze this quarter business trends, three key trends. So it generates the data, post which we would like to drill down further with a follow-up question. In this case, we'll ask about Prose sales. So it's analyzing the data, and we will now ask copilot another follow-up question: what led to the decline in sales in the current quarter? And after that's done, we would now like to add a little color to our chart, and copilot is able to do that. And after that, we would want to dig deeper with another follow-up question. It not just answers your questions, it also creates a model with a step-by-step breakdown. And step-by-step breakdown, you can also create a graph of your projected model. And as you saw, Copilot uh, used a sea of data into clear insights. As you can see, it also created in a new sheet without modifying our original sheet. So using it as a sandbox. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hope this helps. In the next one, we are going to look at more such use cases. Thank you for joining.